if you're experiencing login issues on Raptor maps, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the problem persists, attempt to log in using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser related. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Raptor Map support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems effectively. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.